Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota at Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab V6 with the TRD Sport Upgrade Package and your manual transmission. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 pickup truck in a head-turning Inferno color. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 18-inch wheels. Included in your Sport Upgrade package is your Sports Tune suspension, as well as your Qi wireless charging station and your navigation to have you riding in the ultimate convenience.
Helping you into your Tacoma is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening up that door to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a unique 2-tone interior. On the side, you have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. You also do have your rear cargo lamp, as well as that 120-volt AC plug-in. You have your fully automatic high beams. And below, you can see that you have a full set of all-weather floor mats. On the side here, you'll see the real showstopper of your Tacoma with these stunning leather interiors with that center detailing just to tie that sporty style together. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. With your manual transmission Tacoma, simply put your foot on the brake and the clutch, and you put that key in the ignition. That dashboard's gonna light up with that cool welcome screen and your ambient lighting. Taking a look at your kilometers, they're posted at 3,129. You also do have your multi-information display, which is open to your settings for your Toyota safety sense features, like your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert. You can set the sensitivity of those sensors, as well as turning on and off those alerts from your steering wheel mounted controls. You also do have your volume control mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling. On this side here, you can see you have your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota safety sense as well, and you can set your cruise control from there. Perfect for those highway drives. You have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel with that perforated leather detailing. Taking a look at your LCD screen now, we'll turn on the daytime mode for the screen so you can see it. Simply open it up like that. Opening up your navigation system, a very straightforward system to use, so come on in, punch in your home address and see how it works for you. You also do have your audio system, so it's open right now to your menu. You have your AM FM radio, your Sirius XM radio, you have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary input and your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, simply push it all the way to the side. You'll feel the pressure, and you have your backup camera pop up on that screen too. A nice, clear, easy to read, and a functional feature to keep everything and everyone nice and safe. Below here, you have your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. You can choose to sync it. You also do have your electronic automatic climate control. You have your air conditioning. You have that digital display with your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. Of course, with your Tacoma, you need your 4x4 option. You also do have your heated mirrors, as well as with your upgraded package, you have your blind spot monitor, your power slide rear window, and this button here turns on and off your power for your Qi wireless charging station. There's a lamp underneath for visibility, and you simply turn on the power and place your phone on there, and it will charge for you. You also do have your 12-volt DC charger, your USB auxiliary input down here as well, and that leather trim to tie all of that style together on your shift knob. You also do have that leather trim on your parking brake, that chrome detailing on your cup holders. Inside your center console, you have another 12-volt DC charger in there in case you need to charge your iPad for work. You also do have that leather trim for style, and of course inside of your glove box you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Tacoma, plus that badging again. And check out that sweet orange interior that just ties everything together on the inside of your Tacoma TRD Sport. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tacoma. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear cargo lamp for visibility, as well as your handy power slide rear window to let in all that fresh air. Below here you can see that you have that handy step, as well as that unique Tacoma badging. You have your backup camera that comes standard to keep everything nice and safe. You have your towing and haul equipment, as well as your spare tire storage underneath. Opening up your easy lift and lower tailgate, no more slamming that door down. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You have some additional storage on the side, your handy cargo bed liner, so your truck is ready for you to load up. And you also do have your 120 volt AC plug-in on the side in case you are working in your back cargo area. As you can see, you have that chrome V6 badging as we take one more look at the back of your Tacoma.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab V6 with the TRD Sport Upgrade package with your manual transmission. Built right into your truck are your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding in the ultimate comfort and safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.